In today's video, I'm going to be talking about agencies that recruit nurses internationally to the USA. So many nurses have found success with these agencies, and I've decided to make a good review of these agencies in this video. So if you're interested, Linda Eze here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Linda Eze. I'm a registered nurse and I work in the UK. In this channel, I share information about nursing abroad, getting jobs abroad, health and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of this, subscribe and please hit the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. If you are very new to this channel, please subscribe. I know a lot of people watch my content according to my analytics and they are yet to subscribe. So if you're one of them, please subscribe and let's go. I'm also an NCLEX passer and I pass through all the processes, and I also used an agency. So I believe that I have a first-hand experience in sharing how these agencies can help you and what so many of them actually do require. So stay with me to the end of this video so that you will know exactly how to pick the best agency and which agency is actually the best for you. Okay, so come on. So the first agency I'm going to talk about is O'Grady Patton. So this O'Grady Patton is very experienced in international recruitment of nurses from overseas. I think this agency is even one of the first, if not the first agency to start this process, and they had years of experience before other agencies started to spring up. So this O'Grady Patton, they have over 40 years experience and they still take nurses even till today. They are one of the agencies I contacted when I started my process for NCLEX. They have a lot of mouth-watering offers for their overseas nurses, and they have a reputation for looking after their overseas nurses right from the time they recruit you till the end of your assignment in the US. So there are one good thing about them is that they place nurses all over America. So by the time I finish this review, you will see that some agencies do not really place nurses in all the states in America, but O'Grady Patton, they work with a lot of hospitals across America, so they are able to place their nurses all over America. You can go over to their website and see their reviews and see everything that they offer. It is very self-explanatory. When you get to their website, they actually lay down the processes, the requirements, and what they expect from the nurses that apply to them. So definitely check out O'Grady Patton. They are a very good agency that you can actually. The second one I want to talk about is Avant. This Avant is very popular because these days a lot of Africans, people from Asia, from the Philippines, from different parts of Europe and all over the world, they are using Avant, and you see their reviews everywhere. Right now they have a promo as well, offering a higher pay and also a less contract or a less number of years to their nurses. So if you're interested in checking out Avant, it is a good agency that you can use. I use them to prepare for my NCLEX, even though I didn't use them entirely, but I use them to prepare for my NCLEX. I used Avant and they are very good. So, Avant has years of experience in international recruitment. They started, according to their website, 2003, and all since then they have been recruiting a lot of nurses. I know a lot of nurses that have successfully moved with Avant, and they are happy. Many of them give good testimonies with this agency. So if you're looking for an agency to use to travel to the US, you can definitely check Avant. They have a lot of advantages and they also help you every step of. Another one that I don't really see people talk about a lot is Westways, because I've seen people that actually moved with Westways and they are very excited that they use Westways. So these Westways, they actually recruit nurses from all over the world to go to the US and work. So they have in their website, they also have the step-by-step guide on what they help you with, and they have experience in this field as well, and they have successfully moved hundreds of nurses from overseas to the US, and they are also reputable among the employers in the US. So I've seen people that actually moved with Westways and they are excited. Go ahead and check these people out, follow their requirements. Everything is well explained in their website, so you can definitely know exactly what they require and everything, and you can go ahead and use them. Okay. Another one is Shearwater's Health. So Shearwater's Health, they're also a very good agency that a lot of people are beginning to use these days. So they have succeeded in actually moving a lot of nurses, recruiting a lot of nurses from overseas, and they also help you every step of the way, just like the other agencies that I've mentioned. They help you with your NCLEX preparation. They first of all help you through your CGFNS approval and everything, your NCLEX registration, just like the other ones. They also help out with the visa, all the visa requirements and everything, making sure that you don't make mistakes along the line. So this particular agency is also trusted, and they have a very good and positive reviews from a lot of people, and they also have experience in this field. They check out Shearwaters. They have very good reviews as well, and people are beginning to use Shearwaters from all over the world. So definitely check out this agency. They have very good reviews. Their online presence makes a lot of sense, and it is something that you can actually check. Another popular one that you must have seen online is Passport USA. So I started seeing this Passport USA from Facebook. They were advertising a lot at one time. I wasn't qualified at the time, but they were advertising heavily, and people were using them, people were talking about them. So Passport USA is another agency that people use a lot from overseas, people from Africa, people from the Philippines, and so many other parts of the world. They use Passport USA. These people, they are actually legit, and they have succeeded in recruiting a lot of nurses from overseas, and also helping them with the visa and getting permanent residency in the US. So definitely check out Passport USA, because I believe they are good according to their reviews and their everything and their certification. I believe that Passport USA is another very good next one. Another good one is Interstaff Recruitment Agency. So this Interstaff, they are also experienced in international recruitment, and they have also succeeded in recruiting nurses for about 2 decades according to their website. So this agency is also a very good one that people are using. So definitely check out Interstaff. They have succeeded in recruiting a lot of nurses from overseas, and they also help you every step of the way, starting from the CGFNS process, NCLEX preparation, writing NCLEX, and also the visa processes. You know how long the visa processes can be for US. So this Interstaff, they are also experienced. So you want to use a very experienced agency when it comes to the US process. So if you definitely want to use an agency for your US process, make sure you select one that has experience, one that already help to move a lot of nurses, so that when you encounter problems, they will know exactly how to help you. So this Interstaff, they are proven to be able to do that. So definitely check out Interstaff agency for your recruitment in the US, and I believe they are. The next one is Worldwide Staff Health Solutions. So this particular agency helps UK RNs to move to the US. So one good thing about this Worldwide Staff Solution is that they help nurses in the UK to actually move to the US. So if you are a UK RN already, and you also want to, you don't want to stay with an agency when you get to the US, you want a direct hire. So in their website, they mention that they help you to get a job on a direct hire basis. That is, when you get to the US, you don't need to be under an agency. You will be working for the hospital that you, whatever hospital that you get your employment with. So you'll be working directly with your employer. That means more money. So some people actually are going for this direct hire now if they know the processes, but some people also stick with agencies because of the guidance and everything that they provide, and the security, like mental security, that nothing is going on, like you are more secure. So some people actually go for agencies, but so many people are also using direct hire also, and they seem to offer very good packages for nurses from the UK. In their website, I didn't see any information about helping others from other parts of the world, but they mentioned specifically for UK RNs, you can actually apply to these Worldwide Staff Solutions. They appear to be good as well. So make sure you do your research and read about their reviews, and actually see if you will see nurses that have actually gotten direct hire jobs through this particular agency, so that you'll be more confident when you are making your decision. The next one is Medliant International Healthcare Staffing. So this particular agency, they also say, according to their website, they recruit nurses from all over the world to work in the US, and they help you every step of the way. According to their website, they help you every step of the way. I just saw this agency by research and by hearing other people talking about agencies, but I have not really seen people that moved with this particular Medliant. But according to their website, they seem to be good, and their reviews seem to be good as well. So if you decide to go with this agency, make sure you do your own research, and then you can apply to them and see what they can actually offer. Another one is MedPro International. One good thing about this MedPro International is that they take nurses who graduated in the past 2 years. That means new nurses. This one is for you. So if you're a new nurse and you're worried, oh, am I going to be qualified for these agencies? Am I qualified for the American Dream and stuff? This particular agency, according to their website, they take new nurses, new graduate nurses, and they now help you with your IELTS preparation, NCLEX preparation, CGFNS, and the whole process of passing NCLEX and going through the visa processes, and finally placement in the US. And they also have ongoing support for their nurses, which is actually a very good plus. So if you're a new nurse, because I know the worry for so many new nurses is whether they are going to get jobs with these agencies, are they qualified? I remember I was in that shoe when I graduated newly. So many of these agencies say, oh, we are not qualified, you don't have up to 2 years experience, oh, you are not working in teaching hospital, like so many of these agencies normally say. So MedPro, I found them very, very interesting, and I was actually very happy for my new nurses, my colleagues that are still very new and they want to actually go to the US or the UK or any of these countries, but they don't have the experience. So I'm very excited that there is one for US, because I know in UK there are so many for new nurses, but for US this is the first one I'm seeing that is saying that if you're a new nurse, that they have a place for you. So go ahead and check out this particular MedPro. They seem interesting. I've not seen any nurse move with them. I'll be honest, I've not seen any nurse move with them. They are pretty new to me. I'm just seeing them online, but I found them interesting. So you can go ahead and also have a look. And stay with me. I'm going to be showing you things that are actually red flags when you're picking any agent. The last but not the least is Career Nags International Nurse Recruitment. So this particular Career Nags, they also seem to be very good. They also offer a lot of things for their applicants, for their nurses. So they actually help from the IELTS, from CGFNS, from NCLEX, and all the visa processes. Just like all the other agencies, they offer support for their international nurses, and they provide with the training and everything that you need to successfully move from your home country to the US to practice as a nurse. And while in the US, they also provide ongoing support to make sure that you are acclimatized to whatever is happening in the US, and also the cultural transition and everything. They try to make sure that it is not very overwhelming. So Career Nags seems to be also a very good one. I have not seen anyone move with them, but they seem to be very good one from my research. So also try to do your own research and find out exactly what they need. It doesn't matter anyone that you pick, but if they meet these 4 criteria, I believe they are going to help you. So one thing the most important thing I will advise anyone that wants to pick an agency for the US is if people have actually successfully moved with them to the US. Another one is how fast people actually move. How long does it take? Because people stay in this process for years just because they are getting ready to go to the US. And you know how it can take a toll on you emotionally, because exams are involved. Traveling usually is involved for so many people, because you have to go and write your NCLEX in some other countries for some people. Another one is if that agency is very, very responsive when you ask them questions. So that agency must be able to provide support when you have problem. Another one is whether they also give jobs to across the US, so that you have a choice where to pick for. That one is if they prepare nurses for NCLEX. So that NCLEX preparation is also very, very, very important. So if these agencies, they have these things I will say it is a go ahead. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this very, very helpful, and if you did, please remember to like and share with your nursing colleagues. Please do not hide this information, because we all need to see this information and move on with our career. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.